Hey vZome fans! There's a new build of vZome available, version 5, build number 34, with several cool new features. The most obvious change is a new rendering look. The default background color is now a nice sky blue. More significantly, you'll notice black outlines on the rendered balls, struts, and panels. This style makes vZome look a bit more like SketchUp, the popular 3D tool from Google, and I like the look enough that I've made it the default. You can switch it off and on in the System menu, where you'll find a checkbox for Render Outlines. Perhaps the best new feature is support for transparency. It has always been possible to set the transparency when using the color picker for the Set Color command, but vZome simply ignored that part of the chosen color. No longer! The transparency will be visible in the main view and in any image capture, but you won't see it yet in any other exports like PDF or Pavre. The next 4 features are all ideas from my friend and collaborator David Hall. The first one is very useful, but a little bit hidden. Suppose you've invested some work in a model, and there are 60 undoable edits. If you want to undo half of those, you would have to do 30 undo actions, or undo all and redo 30 times. Now you can simply right-click on any object and undo including this. Enough undos will be performed to remove the object. If you then redo once, the object will appear again. The last 3 features are all new items in the Construct menu. 2 were simply new ways to join a selection of balls by creating new struts. First, we have Join Balls to Last, useful when you want to build any kind of hub and spoke arrangement. If you don't get the selection order right on the first attempt, it is very easy to undo, deselect, and reselect the correct ball, and perform the command again. The next command, Make All Possible Struts, obviously makes all possible connections between the selected balls. This is nice for making a combined pentagon, pentagram, or even just a tetrahedron. But be careful. If you have 100 balls selected, the command will make almost 5,000 struts. Last but not least is Panel Strut Vertices, a command that lets you reconstruct vertex balls for panels or struts that you might have generated using symmetry commands. Well, that's it for Build 34. I hope you enjoy it, and feel free to share your impressions.